A witty Sanskrit tongue twister. The poetry described here is a witty tongue twister. In Sanskrit literature, there are various categories of poems and verses. Subhashita is a wise or witty epigram. Chitrakavya is a playful poetry. Chitrakavya is a branch of classical Sanskrit literature dedicated to linguistic acrobatics, tongue twisters, puzzles and poems that use sound patterns. It is called anuprasa or alliteration and mimics real-world noises like thunder and animal sounds. Muktaka or independent verse. These exists as standalone verses passed down orally through centuries, often compiled in anthologies rather than a single narrative book. Krishna Leela devotional folk tradition. These are anchors such as a stuti or prayer or a dhyana mantra used in regional traditions to playfully praise Lord Krishna. Where are these verbal exercises found? In traditional gurukuls where it is used as a mukhbandha or oral warm-up exercise to help young students master difficult phonetic transitions and get tongue flexibility. In Subhashita collections, which are various modern anthologies of witty or uniquely structured ancient verses. Though Kalidasa's Raghuvansham and Meghasandesham have similar scenes described, this particular poem is not from those literatures as popularly believed.
Enjoy this poem, its meaning, and the captivating and lilting music.
मेघनाद घटा 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 दुर्घटा मंडूकस्य बको बको बकबको बाको बको बूबको विद्युत ज्योति चकीम की चकमकी चाकीम की दृश्यते इत्थम नंद किशोर गोपवनिता वाचस्पते पातु माम.
The sound of the clouds resembles the sound of clashing of clouds. During the rainy season, frogs are seen calling bako bako, and flashing lights appear from lightning, thus showing the world adorned with various sounds. Lord Krishna, the Nanda Kishore, proves to be an artist endowed with the splendor of speech to protect me. Or it could also mean Lord Shiva worshipped by him. Megha Nad Ghata Ghata refers to a traditional Sanskrit rhyming verse and playful tongue twister describing monsoon rain, featuring roaring clouds, croaking frogs, and lightning. Megha Nad Ghata. Dark rain clouds Megha gather densely Ghata Ghata. Roars and pours as complex and intense downpour Durghata. Mandukasya Bako. Frogs or Manduka emerge in the rain, making rhythmic, repetitive croaking sounds, Bako Bako Bupko. Vidyut Jyoti. Flashes of lightning Vidyut Jyoti sparkle brightly across the sky in rapid dazzling patterns, Chaki Maki. Itham Nanda Kishora. In this beautiful, joyous rainy setting, may young Lord Krishna, the Nanda Kishora who playfully converses with the cowherd maidens, Gopa Vanita, protect Patu. Me Mam.
मेघाना नद घटा घटा घट घटा 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 गदुट घटा मंडूकस्य बको बको बक्को बाको बक्को बुक्को विद्युत ज्योति चकीम की चकमकी चाकीम की दृश्यते इत्थं नंद किशोर गोप वनिता वाचस्पति पातु माम्.